Welcome to your MPBL recap. My name is Adolf Tupas, working alongside Coach Louie Gonzalez. And Coach Louie, we had one game here at the Paco Arena for the last semi-final berth in the South Division, and Gensan coming out on top against the Muntinlupa Cagers. A great battle between two teams na really fought tooth and nail in the first two games. And then, etong maganda pinakita nga ng Gensan. Good start for them and a strong finish as well, kahit na maganda rin yung performance itong Muntinlupa Cagers.
You know, Gensan showed up tonight, talagang locked in. Sa Delft, they were able, in control sila sa lahat. Especially nung emotions nila. And alam mo, galing sila sa mabigat na talo. Pero today, they showed up. Especially itong si John Wilson. Tapos itong yung pagbalik pa ni Kit Jimenez, saka ni Christian Pajarito. Then Hopper Mondragon, sa akin, playing is best. Itong saving it for the last.
Yeah, 14 points for Haffer Mondragon, 7 of 8 shooting for Haffer to go with his 7 rebounds, and siya yung naging X-factor dito, no? Even though maganda din naman ang performance ng Muntinlupa, Dave Moralde, John Amores, Val Acuña, Ian Melencio, JP Sarao, all put up a whale of a fight for the Cagers, but you know, in the end, there was just too much from Gensan, too much firepower really.
Oo, exactly. I think that's the right word kasi hindi na duplicate nung Muntinlupa yung performance nila in game 2 eh. Okay, itong si Marco Balagtas hurt himself early, si Ford Ruaya got DQ foul. So hindi nila na-collect. And again, in order to beat a team like a Gensan Warrior team na sobrang nagrabe yung depth, you need to do it collectively. Kailangan buong-buo kayo.
Well, Gensan moving on to the next round against the Batangas City Embassy Chill. So, kompleto na po ang ating South Division semifinal cast. So, syempre, abangan nyo ang MPBL playoffs dito lang sa aming Facebook and YouTube channels. The Positive Tupas and Coach Louie Gonzalez saying goodbye for now.